Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, well, it's not today's newspaper, it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, but in the daily newspaper of the yesterday's newspaper, yes, Saturday, October the 2nd, 2021, we have 3 puzzles left. Yeah, the letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, those 3 puzzles I've solved, and a tectonic. So 3 puzzles on Sunday, letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star I will solve. First one, letter Sudoku, will be number 3483. 3483. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. Yes, those letters are the G, the H, the I, the F, the A, the R, the C, the T, the E. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which letter can I pick? How about the C in the first column, C in the second column? So the third column, the only 2 places for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the I. We see here an I, no I in these 2 boxes. There an I, no I in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I should be here. I in this row, first row, I in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the I should be here. I in the last column, I in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the I should be here, or there. We see there an I, we see here an I, so no I's in all those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I should be here. I in this row, I in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here, and all the I's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter I. All right. Then. T. Okay. H. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an H. We see an H, no H in these 2 boxes. 3 boxes. There an H, no H in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the H should be there. 2 missing letters in the second row. Those missing letters are the E is missing, and the T is missing. E and the T. We see an E, no E there. E should be here, and the T goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. G is missing, and the F is missing. We see here G, no G there. G should be here, and the F goes there. Okay. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We see here an E, no E in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the E should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. F is missing, and the H is missing. We see an F, no F there. F should be here, and the H goes there. One box left in the first column for the letter. G is missing. The G is missing, okay. Two missing letters in the third row. The E is missing. And the R is missing. E and R. ER. Okay. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those two boxes. Yeah. H in this row, H in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the H should be there. H. F. G. Okay. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an A. We see an A, no A in these two boxes. There an A, no A in those two boxes. So one box left for the A should be there. Well, A. Well, four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the R. We see an R in this column, so no R in these two boxes. So the R could be here, could be there. Four missing letters. Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Not easy. Let me see. A. H. Come on. It's taking too long. A. T. Come on. H. E. I'm thinking. Four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the E and the G. We have an EG in this column, so no E and a G in these two boxes. The E and the G goes in those two boxes as a pair. E and a G We see here G, no G there. G should be here and the E goes there. So we have an E in this row, E in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the E should be there. Two missing letters. In this big square for the letters A is missing and the F is missing. A and F, we see here an A. No A there. A should be here. And the F goes there. Four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the C and the F. We have a C and a F in this row, so no C and a F in these two boxes. The C and F goes in those two boxes as a pair, C and F. So the other pair in this big square should be the R and the T are missing. R and the T. We see here T, no T there. T should be here and the R goes there. Two missing letters in this column. The R is missing and the C is missing. R and the C. Let me mark those two letters, R and C. Two. No. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the F. We see an F, no F in these two boxes. There an F, no F in those two boxes. So one box left for the F. Should be there. One letter is missing in this third column. For the letter A, I believe, yes, A is missing. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letter R is missing. And the H is missing. R and the H. Let me mark those two letters. Alright. And we have a pair. In this big square, six missing letters. Two of those missing letters are the E and the T. We have an E and a T in the middle column. So no E and a T in these three boxes. We have an E and a T in this row. So no E and a T in those two boxes. The E and T goes in these two boxes as a pair. E-T, E-T. Hey, E-T, is this not extraterrestrial? Yes. Anyway, now we have one box left in this column for the letter letter F. I believe the F. Do we have no F? We have the G is missing. The G is missing here. So we have a G in this row. G in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the G should be here or there. We see there G, no G there. G should be here. G in the last column, G in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the G should be here. And all the G's are used. I can see. Letter number 2. Letter G. Okay. Then. How about these two? No. Let me think. We have a F in this row, F in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the F should be there. Two missing letters in this big square or in this column. Those missing letters are the A is missing and the H is missing. A and an H. A and a H. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here and an H goes there. Now we have an H there, so this box can't be H anymore. That box should be an H, and this box should be an R. Now we have an R there, so this box can't be R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be a C. E-T, yes. Two missing letters in this row. A is missing in this row. And the letter C is missing. A and the C. We see an A, no A there. A should be here and the C goes there. A in this column, A in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the A should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letter C and the T. We have a C there. No C there. C should be here and the T goes there. Yeah. Then. How about the T? Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a T. We see a T, no T in these two boxes. There, T, no T in those two boxes. So one box left for the T. Should be there. Two missing letters in the last row. The C and the F. C and the F. We have a C there. No C there. C should be here. And the F goes there. One box left in this big square for the number F. For the letter F. Okay, two missing letters in this big square for the letter C is missing, and the R is missing. C and R, we have C here, C, no C there. C should be here, and the R goes there. Now we have an R there, so this box can't be R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be an E. One box left in the last column. Oh wait, these two boxes in this row. E-T, E-T. We see a T, no T there. T should be here, and the E goes there. One box left in this big square for the letter E. Okay. One letter is missing in this column for the letter R. Okay. We have the word afgericht. If you translate this in English, I think it's trained. Trained. Yes, the dog is trained. De hond is afgericht. Yes, trained. Those two missing letters in this big square for the letters H is missing and a T is missing. We see a T, no T there. T should be here and H goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time because for Letter Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And although it has 27 printed digits or letters, if it's digits, then I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So I'm I'm a little bit slower than the Sudoku with digits, but I'm very pleased with the time and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.